Hello, my name is Massimo Conelli and I'll be going over my presentation about the great white shark extinction prevention. Two main talking points that I'll be going over is one, the importance of great white sharks as apex predators in marine ecosystems, and two, an overview of threats to those ecosystems and the great white sharks as predators, as overfishing, habitat loss, and shark finning. The first part I'll be going over is the importance of great whites, and they are essential parts of marine ecosystems because they regulate the populations of prey species such as fish and seals and grass-feeding mammals, and they prevent overgrazing on habitats like seabeds and coral reefs. Overfishing is a problem by many poachers and people trying to harvest sharks for their fins and skins. Not just overfishing the sharks as a whole, but overfishing many fish can catch sharks by surprise and they end up being poached anyway. Climate change is also another threat to sharks because it disrupts their migration patterns, and the rising temperatures makes them swim to different parts of the ocean that they aren't familiar with, and they might not be able to find food for them, which could lower the populations and cause them to die out. Shark finning, as I mentioned, is a problem. And as a fact, 11,000 sharks are killed by humans every hour. As another fact, the global shark fin trade results in the deaths of 73 million sharks annually, which also threatens not just great white populations, but also many other sharks. Sea Shepherd is one of the research teams that I have found who is working with some other scientists and researchers and conservation entities to prevent the illegal fishings of sharks and overfishings of other species in general. Sea Shepherd, as one, conducts patrols in their protected areas and confronts illegal activities such as overfishing that could harm the health of their white sharks and other species of fish, shark culls, and illegal fishing as an example, poachers as another. Their protected areas, such as the Galapagos Islands, they are currently working with government bodies to prosecute the illegal fishing activities going on, and they strive to communicate through the media and campaigns to raise awareness and support. The NOAA, otherwise known as the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, they had started a project called the White Shark Stewardship Project, and they are recognizing that the white shark's population problem is also a big deal because of the shark species' slow reproductive maturity and the small amount of young they produce each year. And according to the IUCN, 32% of sharks and rays are threatened to extinction. Other shark preservation teams, such as this small group from Virginia Tech as graduate students, find and tag many great white sharks throughout the world, but they've had some trouble. They've had some trouble over the years of 2021 to 2023, but they were able to find a population in the southern Sicilian Channel off northern Africa. conclude, all these collaborative efforts to share awareness, like the NOAA, Sea Shepherd, and college teams, help protect great white sharks all over the world. The role of the public supporting conservation initiatives is a big deal, because if there aren't being raised awareness, then this problem is going to be brushed aside all the way up until the point where the sharks may go extinct. And the call to action, people have to actually commit to trying to save these sharks instead of just, like I said, brushing it off to the side and seeing it as a minor problem when it could easily develop into a major problem. And these are my resources that I used. Thank you.